Hey guys, Mr. Chuka here. This is a procedure for building the earbud storage container. Let me open up the Fusion. Hopefully, I will get it done ASAP. So let's go. Again, the purpose of these videos is to get them done in as short as possible, time, so that you can follow up and complete any missing assignment that you might have. All right. So there are a couple of techniques and features that need to be used with the fusion here, but the process is uh, rewarding, I shall say. Okay, so I'm here. Let me go to period 9, IED period 9 here. Let me CAD modeling skills. Let me right click, new component. I'm going to name this new component earbud storage box. So today I'm going to do only the bottom part of it, the box itself. Alright, so let me get started. Create sketch on the front side. I'm going to create a rectangle, center rectangle. So let me make sure that the dimensions you see here, the units are in millimeters. I'm glad I caught that. Alright, so rectangle, center, rectangle. Now create rectangle, center rectangle, and put it in the center, open it up, and the dimension for the rectangle are 55 by 32. So 55 tab 32. Alright, so I got that. I say finish sketch. Good. So let me bring it a little bit more in view. So now I'm going to go ahead and extrude this. Press extrude, so going this way, I'm going to make it 41 is the dimension for this box. I'm going to say enter. So now I'm going to shell the top of this box. So I go to shell feature here, click on top. I'm going to leave it 2 millimeters around each side. All right, press enter. But the bottom, the back part of it ought to be 3 millimeters. So I'm going to click on the back and I'm going to click extrude and I'm going to add 1 millimeter to this back. Okay, so I say enter and everything is fine. So if I take a look, you see how this is a little bit thicker than the rest of them. So my next thing here is to add a fillet. All right, so I'm going to add the fillet in the front. So fillet, I'm going to select this, I'm going to go inside, select this section inside, and select this corner. Nope. All right, so turn this and select this corner as well. So I selected all the front corners, and I'm going to make this fillet 3 millimeters. Okay, so press 3 and press enter. So let me see what I got. Did something happen here, or hopefully, let me move this out of the way. Cancel. Let me go back again. So fillet. Again, select this, rotate it, catch this, and rotate it a little bit, and catch this, and say it 3. And say okay. So that's done. You see how it took that shape? So this is the front, and so far so good. Alright, now we are going to add a front rectangle on this side, on the front. Alright, so it's this part of the box. You can see it, so that section. This is the box that I already built for the other class. So I'm going to create a sketch. Create sketch over here. All right, create a rectangle. Place it over here, and the dimension for this rectangle ought to be 15 by 3. 15 tab 3. And now I have to do some measurements here. All right, enter. I have to do some measurements. The measurements from the bottom, this line here to this line here ought to be 19.5. Okay, and that's looking good. Now I have to get this thing over here to this thing over here. So can I dimension? This would not allow me. See how it doesn't turn blue because it's not visible. So what I have to do, I have to create a project here. So I have to project this one, and now I do the dimension. So this one to this one, I want that to be, that ought to be 20 millimeters. Yes. Yes. Okay, so we got that. Now I have to finish this, and I go ahead and extrude this. So I extrude it 1.5, and I press enter for that. You see how I created this? So that's the place where that, latch will click in. Okay, to lock the box. Very good. So next, what do I need to do here? Okay, so I have to add some click here, click create sketch. I have to the little things, create sketch. I have to bring this over here. Okay, it's going as expected. Alright, so I have to create a circle. Okay, that is 2.5 millimeter. So create a circle that is 2.5 millimeter. 2.5. Do I say enter? Yes. Good. Now I have to dimension this, and I have the right edge 15 millimeter and bottom 17.5. So from here, do I need to do that? Yeah, from here to here. So that is how much? So that ought to be 15. Okay, enter. And then what else do I have? From the bottom to the circle, from here to here, I have it 17.5. Enter. Alright, so we got that. Now I have to use this to create a rectangle pattern. Create rectangular pattern. Alright, so I select this. You see how I have some arrows there? So this one to go up is negative 20 and 5, minus 20, and this ought to be 5, tab 5, and then the other one is one ought to be uh, minus 10, 10, and 3. Alright, so I got got that. I say OK, and I say finish sketch. Very good. So, oh, what happened here? Ah, I know what happened. Alright, go one more time. Select. Alright, so escape, rectangular pattern, create rectangular pattern. I have to, yes, boom, circle. So this guy has to be negative 25. This one has to be minus 10 and 3. Now we are talking. Okay, now I create the circles and I say finish sketch. Now I have to extrude them. I select all of them. Alright. And I have to make an opening and make them minus 2 or 2 depending on the direction of the arrow here. So you see how it's coming up, so I have to do it negative 2 because I want it to cut down. Minus 2 millimeters over here, minus 2, and I press OK. So I got the holes here, and that looks good. Alright, so now I have to add a circular pattern, and I'm going to add it here. So I select this section over here, and I create a sketch, and I create a circle. This circle ought to go over here somewhere, and it has to be 5 millimeter in diameter. I have to press enter. Alright, so now I have to do some dimensioning here, and from here to here, it has to be minus 0.5. Right, enter. And from here, dimension again, from here to here, minus 5, or 0.5, I shall say. Alright, so do I have to do it to the circle or to the center? Let me say OK to this. Finish sketch. Okay, let me undo this. So because the dimensioning has to be from here to the middle of the circle. Okay, 5.5. Enter. And then from here to the center, again, okay, that has to be 0.52. Alright, let's see what we got there. So I got, and I say finish sketch. Now we have two. Oh, okay. I think, let me see if it's how it's going to go. I have to extrude this from here the other way minus 10. Enter. All right. So I did that. Now I have to go on the back, click here, and I have to create a sketch, and that sketch, a rectangle from here to here, and I have to add some dimension here. D for dimension. From here to here, I want it to be 10. Enter. Okay? And from here to here again, 10 as well. From here, ten. Okay, that is good now. So I say finish sketch. Alright, now I go to extrude. I extrude this section. Did I give it back? Back. Alright, so I have to do some further, because this to be, come on, I got 2.5. So from here to here, to be 2.5. And enter. Alright, so now I can finish the sketch. Now I go to extrude. I click on this. 3 millimeter. So 3. Enter. Did I do it correctly? Yes. Perfect. Oh no, -3. So back, extrude this section -3. Enter. Yes, now we are good. Now this is perfect. Alright, so I got that. Now we have to create a sketch. Create sketch on this guy over here. And then there I have to create a rectangle, a circle of, how much does it have to be? 3? 3. Enter. Now I have to finish that. I have to extrude and this section 1.5. I press enter. Hopefully, yes, it did come this way. I have to fillet this circle again 1.5. Enter. And it took the shape that I wanted it to take. So now I have to do the next one. So I turn it around, I click here, I say create sketch. Alright, so I say create, project. I'm going to project original circle. This one. Boom. I say enter, and I say finish. I turn it around, and what I do next, extrude over here, -10. Alright, and I say OK. Perfect. I flip around and create sketch right over here. Alright, so I want to create the same thing. Alright, create. Should I do it through project? Yes. Go back. Go around. I want to project this guy. Alright, so over there. And I say, OK. Enter. And finish sketch. And then I extrude this guy 1.5. I say enter. And then I select this guy 1.5. And I say enter. And believe it or not, I am done with the box. Alright, so the bottom part is going to look like this. So all we are left is the top part, which we'll do it tomorrow or Monday. Alright, so now I'm going to stop the sharing, and I'm going to post it on the activity 1.3.7, the screencasting. Great job.